What is a canister purge valve? The canister purge valve is an essential component of the evaporative emission control system, EVAP. Your car's EVAP system closes the fuel system to keep potentially dangerous fuel vapors out of the environment. One emissions control device in particular, the canister purge valve, enables the engine intake vacuum to draw precisely the right amount of gasoline vapors from the EVA canister into the engine intake manifold. In this video, we'll explore what a canister purge valve is, its diagram, its location, and how it works. We'll also explore its common problems and symptoms and how to test and replace it. The purge valve in the charcoal canister is the opening that lets fuel vapors that the charcoal had absorbed return to the engine for combustion. It is a component of the car's evaporative emission control (EVAP) system. The EVAP system stops fuel vapors from leaking from the fuel tank and into the atmosphere. The EVAP system collects fuel vapors from the fuel tank and temporarily stores them in the charcoal canister. Under the hood, the purge valve may make a repetitive clicking sound as it works. A multitude of sensors keep tabs on the purge flow. The computer turns on the check engine light if the purge flow is less than anticipated or higher than anticipated under specific circumstances. How does a canister purge valve work? Here's how the canister purge valves work. The purge valve in recent models is an electrically powered solenoid controlled by the engine computer. When you turn off your engine, the valve closes. Once your engine is up and running, the computer gradually opens the purge valve. This permits fuel vapor to flow from the charcoal canister to the engine and burn. A hose joins all of these components to form the EVAP system. Dust and debris, like many other car components, can block the canister. The purge valve may potentially shatter due to extreme environmental conditions. If the purge valve breaks, it might cause issues with the EVAP system, lowering your car's emission output level. Where is canister purge valve located? A quick reminder to subscribe, like, and share. There are two common locations for the vapor canister purge valve depending on the vehicle. The canister purge control valve is typically located in the engine bay on a pipe connecting the intake to the canister. It could possibly be near the gasoline tank. The component will have a simple appearance. It's usually just a small black plastic component with an electrical connector and a vacuum line on each end. While it can be difficult to locate, once located, it is usually rather simple to access. What causes the canister purge valve to go bad? The canister purge valve is important for a vehicle's emission control system. Various factors can cause it to malfunction. Normal wear and tear. The canister purge valve, like any mechanical part, may wear out over time due to regular use and exposure to temperature changes, vibrations, and engine fumes. Contaminants, dust, dirt, and contaminants from the environment or the fuel system can build up in the valve, clogging or sticking it. Electrical problems. The canister purge valve may contain electrical components, such as solenoids, which can fail due to wiring issues, corrosion, or electrical shorts. Vacuum leaks. The valve relies on vacuum pressure to operate properly. A leak in the vacuum lines or connections can cause the valve to operate incorrectly. Carbon buildup. Carbon deposits can collect in the valve over time, impairing its capacity to open and close properly. Faulty seals or gaskets. Damaged or worn seals and gaskets can cause air or vapor leaks, impairing the valve's performance. Incorrect installation. If the canister purge valve is not properly placed during maintenance or repairs, it may not function properly. Manufacturer defects. In some situations, the valve may have been constructed with flaws that cause it to break prematurely. Extreme heat or cold. Extreme temperature extremes can have an impact on the valve's materials and components, perhaps causing them to degrade or malfunction. Fuel quality. Poor quality fuel or contaminants in the fuel can negatively affect the operation of the valve and the entire evaporative emission control system. Improper handling. Excessive force or rough handling during installation or maintenance procedures can harm the valve. Ongoing maintenance neglect. Failure to perform routine vehicle maintenance, such as changing the air filter or disregarding warning indicators, might cause the canister purge valve to fail prematurely. Symptoms of a bad canister purge valve. The check engine light is on. The check engine light is the mostly first indication that anything is wrong with your canister purge valve. Your car's computer controls your canister purge valve, allowing it to check its operation. If your vehicle's computer senses higher or lower than normal purging from the valve, the check engine light will illuminate. P0441 and P0446, as well as other EVAP codes, common error codes. If your check engine light comes on, take your vehicle to a skilled mechanic who can assist you determine the problem. A quick reminder to subscribe, like and share. Reduced gas mileage. Your gas mileage may suffer if your canister purge valve does not open correctly. The reason for this is that the vapors produced by your car's ordinary combustion will enter the EVAP canister and eventually be vented to the atmosphere, resulting in a loss of some of the fuel utilized in combustion. Engine issues. If your canister purge valve is stuck open, it causes a vacuum leak that might harm your engine. Simply said, it will be permitted to enter the engine in an amount that the computer in your automobile does not foresee. This will alter the car's air-to-fuel ratio, resulting in rough idling. The car feels rough and bouncy when the engine is running, and difficulties starting. If these symptoms occur together, there is a good chance that a canister valve or another component of the EVAP system is failing. Can you drive your car? Yes. When your purge control valve fails, you should not notice any major performance concerns and should be able to drive the car to a service shop. It is not, however, recommended that you continue to drive with a malfunctioning purge valve without repairing it. If the purge valve fails to function properly, pollutants may escape from the tank, which can be hazardous to both the environment and the performance of your vehicle. Problems of a canister purge valve. The purge valve's most frequent problem is when it sticks or doesn't completely close. The check engine light could turn on as a result of this. Some vehicles may struggle to start after filling up at the gas station due to a stuck-open purge valve. The engine may sputter and run rough for the first few seconds. The purge valve's most frequent problem is when it sticks or doesn't completely close. The check engine light could turn on as a result of this. Some vehicles may struggle to start after filling up at the gas station due to a stuck-open purge valve. The engine may sputter and run rough for the first few seconds. The code P0446 and associated EVAP codes may appear in select Ford and Mazda vehicles due to a bad purge valve. It happens frequently in some GM cars for the purge valve to leak. The purge valve warranty coverage has increased for several vehicles. Search GM purge valve special coverage on Google. How can you test canister purge valve? You can test the canister purge valve with a multimeter. And here's how to go about testing it with a multimeter. Set your multimeter to ohms, place the probes on the purge valve's power terminals, and measure the resistance between the terminals. A measurement less than 14 ohms or greater than 30 ohms indicates a faulty purge valve that must be replaced. A quick reminder to subscribe, like and share. How much does it cost to replace a canister purge valve? Depending on the automobile type and labor expenses, the average vapor canister purge valve replacement costs between $50 and $300. While those small plastic components may not appear to be much, they are not cheap to replace. The part alone can cost anything between $30 and $150. Then there's the issue of labor rates to consider. This cost varies based on the placement of the vapor canister purge valve and how difficult it is to access, but it normally ranges between $20 and $150. If you want to handle the work yourself, replacing a vapor canister purge valve in the engine bay is rather simple. To accomplish the task, all you need to do is identify the valve and possibly remove an intake cover. If the valve is attached to the rear of the fuel tank, you'll need to jack up the car and remove the tire to obtain access to the area. While this isn't a lot of labor if you have the right tools, it may surely slow down the process. However, when you consider that these easy measures can save you between $50 and $150, it's usually well worth the extra steps. Just remember to conclude the job by resetting the engine code by disconnecting and reconnecting the battery. A quick reminder to subscribe, like and share. Check the description below to get the product.